Hey guys, it's Jenna, and today I have a very fun video, and it was actually requested by a lot of you guys to do some kind of food video. So I've been watching so many taste test videos, it's not even funny. So I decided to get a bunch of Japanese snacks and try them out for you, so you guys can all have my opinions of these different snacks. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so I have my mom behind the camera and she's going to be the snack master and throw me my first snack. And this one is, I think, the brand Calbee, and they are honey butter potato chips. I'm a little nervous. Hopefully these are good. Okay, I'm going to have to throw this back and have them open. Alright. They smell good. They smell like potato chips, so let's try one. Ooh. They're really sweet and they're really salty. I like these. I would rate these like 4 out of 5 B's. I'm gonna rate them out of B's because that has it in the brand. I like these. 4 out of 5. I would buy these again. Let's see what the second item is. Okay, this is called Hello Panda, and they're cookies filled with chocolate. Oh, I've never had these before. Everyone says these are so good. I swear, I can't open anything. Got it. Alright. These are so good. And they have little pandas on them. I can't believe I've never tried these before. Alright, I give these 5 out of 5 pandas. I'm going to eat this whole bag right now. Let's see if this third snack can beat the second snack. Alright, these are Jagabee lightly salted potato crisps. Thick whole cut potatoes. So it literally just looks like French fries. And if you know me, I love French fries. More than like any other food ever. I don't know why I can never open anything. I got it. They don't really smell like anything. But they look exactly like little French fries. These are salty. I guess I was thinking they're going to have a little more flavor to them. It just tastes like a chip, which I guess that's what it is, but I bet if I dipped these in like Chick-fil-A sauce, it'd be pretty good. I'd probably eat these again. They taste like something, and I don't know what it is. They taste like pistachios, and they're potato chips. I don't know, I think they taste like pistachios. They're pretty good. I'm gonna eat another one. I'd give this 4 out of 5 French fry containers. Fourth snack coming in. This is Choco Rooms Sweet and Crispy. They are sweet and creamy strawberry with a crispy cracker. So, I don't know what that means, but oh my gosh, it smells like legitimate strawberry. That's so weird. Okay, so they're little mushroom. They look like little mushrooms. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this. The strawberry is such a weird texture. I don't think I like this as much. It tastes like strawberry yogurt with like a biscuit. I'd give this like 2 out of 5 strawberries. Probably my least favorite thing so far. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. Snack number 5. Oh. This doesn't have anything in English on it. Oh. Light and crunchy, mildly sweet and salty cracker. I don't know what I should expect for this. Okay. Oh, they're big. All right. This smells like oddly like maple syrup mixed with like beef jerky. I'm so scared. Oh, the more I smell it, the more it smells like a dog treat. I feel like I'm eating dog food. I can't do it. The texture seemed good, but this is getting 0 out of 5 dogs for me. Yeah, no. Next, but give me the next one. Oh, it was a high one. All right. This is called Caplico Stick. And I think it's like a cone with some kind of like marshmallow thing in it. It kind of looks like an ice cream cone. So, ooh. All right. There's strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla. Should I just try all 3 of them? I'm gonna try all 3 of them. Okay. So let's do the strawberry one first because I didn't like the other strawberry thing. All right. All right. I don't know what this is, but it's like kind of like freeze-dried ice cream. The strawberry's all right. I'm not a strawberry person though, so we'll do the vanilla one next because I have the feeling the chocolate's going to be the best. All right. These are dusty. All right. This literally tastes like vanilla ice cream. This is good. Definitely better than the strawberry one. I'll tell you that. Alright. Let's go into the chocolate. I have really, really, really high hopes for this, so this better not disappoint me. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I feel like this is all in my teeth now. Am I good? Alright. I'm going to give this 4 out of 5 ice cream cones because the chocolate makes up for the not so good strawberry one. Alright. Next snack. Alright. These are gummy candies. And we have peach and strawberry. So let's open them at the same time. These are easy to open. Oh, these are black. I thought these were going to be like red. Okay. Let's see what the peach ones look like. Oh, they're like orange. See, I would have thought that was going to be like red and then this was pink. Okay, I'm going to eat the peach one first. I don't even like peaches. I don't know why I'm doing this. You know what? These are good. I never would have thought that I would like the peach one. Okay, strawberry. The peach one, 5 out of 5 peach emojis. That strawberry one, 1 out of 5. Because I feel like that tasted like a dead rat. But, oh. Okay, give me the next snack. This is our last snack. And these are Cara Mucho hot chili potato chips. And if you guys don't know, I have a very low spice capacity where the slightest thing is too spicy. Like, I eat 3 hot Cheetos and I need to drink a gallon of water. So I'm definitely nervous for this. Oh, they just smell like barbecue chips. Okay, maybe it won't be that bad. I'm kind of nervous. Okay, that one's broken. I want a pretty one. Okay. They have a nice flavor. Tastes like barbecue chips. Alright, I'm getting some heat in the back. Oh! They're good, but they keep getting hotter. Okay. I'm not mad at these. We'll give them 5 out of 5 fire emojis because they're not like hot Cheeto hot. They're like spicy barbecue sauce. So, you know what? These are good. I'm gonna eat these all. I'd buy them. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed me tasting these snacks. I'm not really sure how to feel about these because some of them were pretty good and some of them were kind of nasty. So if any of you guys have tried any of these snacks before, make sure to let me know in the comments below your opinions so I can see if we have the same taste buds or something, because some of those, I don't know how some people would eat them. So I think that's it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.